Right, ladies and gentlemen, so today is Wednesday, February 5. Yeah, it's February 5 actually, right? And we provide, of course, the presentations for the Trade Tribe together with the top trader Jake because he have like more details about that, what we've created with the DEX. And like the DEX is the really important because right now a lot of the people can become the liquidity providers. Right now, a lot of the people, they can buy the tokens on the early stage and became the venture capitalists, guys. Yeah, so you can become that guys who are gonna buy something good at the beginning, yeah, before it hit the market, because you must understand that a lot of the crypto is around, which right now you can go to the coin market cap, can find this on the some exchange and you can buy it. But those crypto already made like 1000x, like some crypto made, let's say, 100x. So they rise a lot, like so many people already made the money with that. But that what we have with the Trade Tribe, this is the coin, yeah, our coin, which right now is half of the dollar, is just 50 cents. So this is the best price. Of course, those people who buying this right now, they gonna be, like on the best, like on the best direction. Yeah, because with this one, you will gonna grow. Yeah, because we're gonna have more people to join us, and of course, your capital will gonna grow with that. So yeah, just like that, Jake, if you're ready, you can start. And I think maybe I'm gonna send more notification to the guys so they can join our presentation. Yeah,
Okay,
so let's go.
okay, thank you. Yeah, so hello guys. I hope you're doing well. So basically, yeah, this is midweek. This is Jake's day, yeah, for the trading and updating. So yeah, as you can see, market dropped down really hard. So basically now there is no big moves on the market, so it's still in consolidation. So we cannot trade in live today. Basically, market is moving less than 1% the whole day. But yeah, as I said, for today, I will show you some numbers. So we will just check out from the prices of the token now with the TMX, so with the TGA events, and I will show you what can you where you can benefit and how much and what to aim. Yeah, what is our goal for this year? So I will just show you some numbers. So basically, we'll see how this stuff work, and I will try to just get you in more into this. But yeah, as I said, now we will have our own exchange. We will have our own crypto product. We will have our own tokens. So basically, this is what we've been working on last year. So basically, this year we will have, let's say, big level up of the trade tribe. We will go into our TMX product. So basically, next year and years what will come, we will have the backbone of our TMX product, our own exchange, where we will trade everything, where we will build our community up. And also for all guys who've been early with us, they already get the profits from the trading, but now you will have the ability to go from 10 to 20x or even more. Yeah, so basically this is it. So now I will show you just in live how this stuff works, and basically we will just start from our native token, so just with some small perception how this stuff work and how we can calculate the prices. This is very important, so you will just get the feeling how this stuff work and what you can benefit during the time. But yeah, as I said, this is just small projections. What we expecting is much more bigger. But yeah, this is, let's say, the worst case scenario what you will now see. And as I said, you will like it. Yeah. So basically, this is it. So let's start from the beginning. So yeah, so as you can see now in our white papers, you can see the simulation of the post TGA pop. So what's mean TGA? TGA means token generating event. So token generating event is event when we generate all tokens, what we see, and put them on the market. So basically after this private seed phase, we will have token generating event, and at that token generating event, during this time, you will get your tokens, and these tokens will be liquid from the day one. So now I will show you what's happened when this kind of the tokens go on the market and when this TJ event pop-ups happens. Yeah. So basically, as you can see, this is codes for the basic users. So on the top, as you can see, this is if we reach on TJ event just $0.25. As I said, I'm expecting with this TJ event going from $2 to $3, maybe even to the $5 for the each token, because this tokens on TJ events will be correlated with Ethereum price. As I said, we are expecting recovery on Ethereum in coming months, so we are expecting bigger price into the tokens. But what is fun here? So basically, only fixed value of the token is now in this private investment phase. So as you can see, only fixed 0.5 or 50 cent is now. So only for the private investors, but for the TGA event users, they will be correlated with the amount of Ethereum what we raise and the price of Ethereum that moment. So basically, this is the worst case scenario. So I think this is if Ethereum go lower than $2,000 at that moment. So basically, this is if we drop even more, if we go in full bear mode, this is $1.25 for each token on TGA event. So basically, now you will have less than 2 months to buy for $0.5. From that moment, when we go in TGA event, worst case scenario is $1.25. So this is already, I don't know, 150% expensive then what is the price of the tokens what you can buy now. Also under it, we will have this pop-up experience. So this is FOMO. So this is the guys who will just buy this token when we go live. So when we put it on exchange. So basically this is the moment when the exchange and the amount of the money go up. So as you can see now, in this period of the time, if user buy at pop-up time, it will be around $3.5. So you can just imagine when we put it on exchange, big amount of liquidity will jump in into the token, and at that moment, guys who buy at $1.25, at that moment they are already almost 300% up, as you can see, from these guys who buy on the opening day. So now, as you can see, after 1 week of the TGA events, so basically, if you let's say sell for these guys who are just new, just topping out, you could benefit maybe 2 to 3x, maybe in first days. After 1 week, the price will go lower from that moment. So for the guys, they will be in 100% of the profit. So you can just imagine, you can go into the 100% of the profit just in 1 week. So this is worst case scenario. So I'm not speaking the Ethereum. If Ethereum go to the 4,000K, this is double or triple, even more. So you can just imagine how big numbers can be. But this is if Ethereum go under $2,000. For the private investors, they're already at 377% just after 1 week of TJ event. So basically, these guys who buy for 3 point almost $5, you are from that moment in really big amount in front of them. So you are 6 times in front of them. So basically, at that moment, you are at 600% just for the guys, because only fixed price is now in the private seed phase. So basically, this is only fixed. After it, it will only can be expensive to get into this project. So basically, this is why I want to show you, and this is why I want to show you that we now keep it private only for our community and for the guys who are ready to jump in with liquidity. But later, when all this stuff roll up together, you will see the FOMO. You will see the guys who will buy this token at $3, $5, $7, and this is the moment when you will take the part of your profit. And this part of your profit can be from 5 to 10x easily. So basically, this is just, let's say if Ethereum go 2000 and lower. If we go up, I will not even say how much of the volume we can bring. Also, 1 month after we make this TJ event, as you can see, from that moment, if the price just come back into the opening that price, private investors are at 500%. These guys could go with TJ at 153%. 1 year, if we just not bring anything, so this is just zero into the volume, but this will not happen. If we just go zero in the volume, people only sell, then these guys will be at 93%, private investors at 377%. So basically, if you are now a private investor and if you hold for 1 year, if we didn't get any more new guys in it and everything stops, you will be at least from 3 to 5x easily for the private investor. For the guys who go with TJ events, it will be around 100%. So this is the worst case scenario. So this is if we just not get any volume from the market, if nobody buy anything and we just hold it up for the 1 year. So basically, just with the flow, you can double money with TJ event, and with private investment phase, what is now, you can go almost 4 to 5x. So this is easy. This is, as I said, only if Ethereum go to $2,000. If Ethereum go above 3 to 4, or even what we are expecting now, $5,000 by when the DEX go live, at that moment, you can just imagine how big this is. As I said, we are looking now into the 3 years, without any more add-ups. So this will be only financed from the fees what we get, because we have also buyback system. We have buyback system, so part of the money what generates from the fee will be also for the buying the token back. So we will buy the token backs and we will slowly increase the price of the market. So even if everybody is selling during this long time of the period, we will also buy back the tokens and push the price up. Yeah. So basically at this point, even after 3 years, even after everything drops, you can also go with 300% to 400% easily with private seed phase. So this is why I say to you, this is the easiest and safest way to you to get in and to maximize your profit. So let's say if you go with, now I will just show you with these numbers. So we will go just from $3.5 if we get, so this is on the opening of the pop-up, and we will go with our price. So now we will go just in crypto profit calculator. So we will go that we go with $10,000. We will go with that we buy for $0.5, and we will go that we sell for 3.5. So we sell for these guys who are into the this TGA pop-up. At that moment, as you can see, we are in plus $60,000 with $10,000 of investment. So basically, this is 600%, 10,000 investment and $70,000 that you take out. So basically, if during this period of the time, if the price only hold up at this pop-up TGA event, at that moment you can go easily with 6x in this period of the time. So basically, if you sell after 1 year of this everything what's happened, you'll go with 600%. But what is also very important, if you stake all these tokens what you buy in private seed phase, you will also get 20% from the fees, plus you will get some part of the tokens. So that means that your 600% can go into the 1000% just during the compounding, plus your dollars what you get on your wallet from the trading fees. So basically, this is no brainer for the guys who want to go with investment, who know that money will work for them for the long term, and who know that this is the project what takes the money from the market. This is very important. So we are not bringing any stuff that we need pay additionally. So we are just putting our product on the market, giving the opportunity to guys to trade, to invest, to go with their moves on the market, and we take fees for everything. And also plus all this liquidation, we hold them as for us for our liquidity and just going up. So basically, this is the worst case scenario, as I said for you, from this TGA pop-up. As I said, we are now looking up. Let's say if we go with just $1.5. So if we just go to $1.5, so that means that this TGA event, this all liquidity what we put on the exchange, and no additional amount of the money come to the market. So basically, this is only basic. So this is only money what we get from the TGA event, put it on exchange, and that's it. So basically, if nobody come again, that moment you are in 20,000 plus. So basically, with your 10,000 on TGA day, you are in 20,000 plus 200% up, and plus your total investment. So basically, you're taking home $30,000. So this is if nothing happens, if we just put money on exchange and that's it. Yeah. So basically, this is it. This is the worst case. What we are looking now for maybe first 2 months is going at least $5 that period of the time. So it's from $0.5 investment with $10,000, this is 90,000 into the profit. So basically, this is our target, because as you can see in that prediction, when we go with $3.5, this is pop-up period of the time. So let's say if we raise $2 million in TG events, we put that $2 million on the liquidity, and at that moment, if we catch from the, let's say if we put on some big exchange, if we put on the liquidity, market makers see this stuff. So when the new token is released, they see this stuff and they start pumping with liquidity. That moment, $1 million can raise price really big. Plus, most of the tokens will be staken. That means these tokens will not be sold at day one. Basically, in most of the case, 70% tokens been staken, just 30% tokens been sold. So these days, when the market makers start adding money on exchange, plus staking, at that moment we can easily go to $5. As I said, we can just maybe be in a few days in $5. But yeah, as I said, this is my prediction for from period from 1 to 2 months after we release. So basically, that with your $10,000 investment, you can go into the $90,000. So this is how this market works. So this is how this stuff works. Basically, this will be your, let's say, base. Also, what is very important, you don't need to sell everything. As I said, sell maybe 20-30% just to cover up your investment, and rest leave into the staking mode, because you will generate really big fees, plus you will generate additional part of the token. So this is how you can increase really, really fast. So basically, with the compounding, this kind of the money, let's say you compound 50,000 from this, you can go easily to $200,000 by the end of the year, just with that. And this is 20x from your $10,000 investment. Plus, you pay out already some part of the money. So this is how this stuff works, and this is how we put it into the moon. As I said, from this way, what I see on the market, I think new video will come this week. You will see why you need to go into the private investment. I will now show you what's happened with GMX. So GMX was the first who built all this system with futures trade on the decentralized exchanges. These guys have opening price of $0.9. So this was for the private users, and they top selling price was, I think, $91. Yeah, $91. So basically, guy could invest $10,000 into the private seed phase of this project, go with 1 million in profit. So he go in 1 million with profit if he sell at $91. As I said, I can show you. You can go to Coin Market Cap, just write GMX, and you will see the top price. Top price was $91. Private seed phase was $0.9. So you can just imagine how much of the money came in. Also, these guys having liquidity $350 million now just for the trading liquidity. So you can imagine how billion and billion dollars they go to the trading transaction plus fees will be paid. I think they'll get $300,000 a day easily with fees, and these fees being shared to all stakeholders. So basically, with the tokens what you buy, you will get your fees. You will become the stakeholders of the TMX. So this is very important because your coins will be used for the voting. So you will vote for all new release, new upgrade of the TMX and all of this work, because your tokens will represent you as a staker, as a holder of the token and holder of this project. So as I said, from my side, as a trader, this is huge. And what I'm looking on as a trader also, we are looking out to list this token on the big exchanges, centralized exchanges. At that moment, if we get the listing, when we go live, when we add up liquidity, from that moment, we will be able also go into the futures trades. So what that means, we will be able to go with short and long positions in our own token. So you can just imagine you will be able to put, let's say, $1,000, that TMX token will rise from $3 to $5, and you will earn additional 200%. So basically, this is it. And this will also bring more liquidity from the market and more setups put into our token. So basically, as I said, our goal to go is go with, let's say, from $1 to $2 million. I would like to get $2 million into the liquidity from the tokens by the end of this feed phase. And from that, you will just see how big we can go to 10 millions, to 100 millions, to 500 million. So this can escalate really quick. And for this kind of the tokens, when we just put small part of it on the market, and when we be liquid from the day one, this is very important. So we will be liquid from day one. We'll put all these Ethereums on the exchange, and that's it. They will be able to trade, to add, to move, to bring liquidity. So this market makers overwatch. So for this kind of the tokens, as I see, $5, I think it's too low. But yeah, as I said, let's keep it at $5. You will see you can go with $10,000 of investment, you can go into the 100,000. But yeah, as I said, my dream is to go to $20, $19, as I said, because HMX token, but also go in 2023, they top was $19. Yeah. So basically from
Jake, real
zero.
fast, can we see what $20 looks like?
Yeah, yeah. Let's go. So, Basically, it's $200,000. Yeah. So basically, this is $200,000 with $10,000 investment. Yeah. So basically, this $20, as I see, if we all go well during this year, and if some exchange list us, I think $20 is easy to reach. Basically, because we will not put big amounts of the token on the market, we will get them all liquid, and we will also have the staking mode. So staking also helps the price to rise really fast and really quick. So as I said, this is, let's say, ultimate goal for this year, go to the $20. But yeah, as I said, the most realistic is to go to $5. But yeah, even with $5, you can go easily 9 to 10x. So basically that's it. Also, yeah, guys, if you can check from our side, basically we have this small one pager just to take out. So if you go with the staking of tokens, as I said, you can go from 10 to 20x. So this is only if token go to $5, let's say. Plus, these all staking tokens will get you additional part of the money, so they can easily go to the 20x. So basically, you buy at the cheapest possible. Also for liquidity providers, as I said, we are looking now to go into the at least $100 million of the volume, maybe on the weekly base. But with increase of that volume, liquidity providers can go really fast and really quick to at least 200 to 500% into the yearly base. So basically, for liquidity providers, this is on the yearly base because they will be paid every day. So they will just get small percentages every day. But when this all collects together, it's around 200%. So basically, this is what we are aiming now. Also, yeah, early investors will be also airdropped with some kind of the token. So let's say if you put when we have liquidity surge, so liquidity surge will be, let's say, for 5 days, we will open our liquidity for 5 days for all investors. And if you, let's say, invest $10,000, you will get 500 tokens more. And this kind of the stuff we will reward our guys for joining up. And these tokens will be released during the period of the few months as reward for the staking and for the holding. So basically, we'll be able to get additional part of 100, 200, 300% from your initial just from this kind of the events when you will be rewarded for join early and to get your position really quick. So basically, as I said, from our side as a trader, I'm looking to get this token listed on the exchange and to trade them also. But yeah, from the investor side, you will have two opportunities. So you will be able to buy now tokens, stake the tokens, get your percentage every day, plus sell it at the moment when you want. And also you will be able to go with trading, automatic trade as additional part, plus liquidity. So all liquidity providers will get percentages from the trading on their accounts, and basically liquidity will grow during the time, so your position in liquidity also get bigger value. And as I said, these days, like what we have on the Monday, when the market get really big crash, only who is smiling is our exchanges. So exchanges collect really great amounts of the money, and yeah, we want to be part of this cake. Yeah, so we want to take the part of this cake, take the money from the market. As I said, this is, let's say, the easiest money for the exchange, and this can grow your liquidity from 50 to 100% just in 2 days. Yeah. So basically, if we have 5 million liquidity, we could also easily go to the 7, 8, $10 million in liquidity just from all these liquidations. What happened during this really big moves on the market. So as I said, guys, this is really big opportunity. Now we are speaking with some funds who will be able to jump in. If these guys jump in, they will take the tokens now in cheap price. I will try maybe to get them in TGA events and this kind of the deals, but yeah, I will update you. But now it's your opportunity to join in, to jump in and to take tokens at the cheapest price. Also, yeah, as I said, for the guys to jump in, ask your leader, ask your promoter to give you the affiliate link. It's pretty simple. Just go connect the wallet, take MetaMask or Trust Wallet. It's just few clicks away. Get yourself your address, put the USDT on arbitrary on them and small amount of the Ethereum, and that's it. Yeah. So basically, in few minutes, you can become the stakeholders of the TMX. So as I said, for the guys who are new here, just follow up with us, go in our group. You will see some videos with educational part, how to join up, how connect everything. Now we are working on the papers with pictures, what to click, where to go. So just basic stuff, and more new promotional videos will come during this week. So you will have all opportunity to check this big stuff. And for the leaders, yeah, who have big communities, as always, you can contact us and ask for affiliate link. But yeah, as I said, for the guys who want to build fake wallets and fake underlines, please don't send us the message. We cannot give affiliate links for everyone, just only for the big leaders, yeah, who can bring community up. So basically, this is, yeah, basic term, because we don't want the guys who just want to take additional 5% for themselves, just hiding under some suspicious wallets. Yeah. So basically, from this, connect with your leader. He will provide you the link, and that's it. Because in this private seed phase, you cannot buy by yourself, only if you want. You need to get affiliate link, because this is the private seed phase. So only this is only for our community and from the guys who come from our leader structure. So yeah, guys, if you have any more questions, you can ask me. But yeah, from this part, we will try to make more educational part in this way. Also, I'm working on it to bring even more news. I will try to make more user examples like this on GMX. And also, we can connect for the next Zoom. I will try to connect on few dexes. So we will connect on few dexes. We will have the money on them. So I will show you how it's easy to stake on their liquidity, how it's easy to buy, to sell, to trade futures, and all of this stuff. What we will have also on our own exchange. So you will have in real view how all this stuff work and how it's easy to benefit from this and take your part from the profit. Yeah. So yeah, guys, if you have any question, you can ask. And yeah, Team David, if you have guys to add something, you can.
No, that was really good, Jake. Basically, we're excited. We're pumped up. This is the beginning. This is like we say, a once in a lifetime opportunity. Doesn't happen all the time. Just think about, Pancake Swap, Uniswap, GMX. I mean, just being at the forefront at the beginning. This is that time. It's happening all over again. And I know there's gonna be a lot of people that don't take advantage, and they're just gonna look back and say, "I wish I would have participated." And hopefully that's not going to be you, but yeah, this is something where you want to share this out with everybody that you know. This pre-sale is not going to last long, and get as many people on the Zoom calls, get as many people on board, because this is something where you're going to pay it forward to a lot of people that you care about. Send it back to you.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Yeah, I see there's some question in the chat when we can organize a physical event with TMX and TradeTribe. And just Gottfried today, he said he want to make it 8th of March. Yeah, so like if maybe it's gonna be 8th of March. Yeah, Gottfried, you want to make that 8th of March or other day? So like what is the best? Your co-host
No,
today.
8th of March in Munich. I agreed with Jack already that he will come and we make this 1 year anniversary meeting because we
Mhm.
started last year in March.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
So I think
yeah,
I also gonna arrive then, 8th of
Yeah.
March. Yeah, so
yeah,
8th of
guys.
March.
And yeah,
Yeah, so
we will make the update for everybody. So yeah, so we will share that the date and show you where we've been. But yeah, if anybody from Europe, you can jump in, you can meet us, you can speak with us and see how
okay.
we do, where we are looking next. So yeah, basically this is what we go. Can we
All
know
right.
how our
So can we know how our trading bots works? I'm not sure what this question is about which trading bots you talking about.
Yeah, I think it's about Ethereum. So yeah, as you can see, Ethereum just crashed down until we go back above 4,000. Yeah, we cannot take the profits, but yeah, as I said, when we go about, I will update you and send all guys the profit what they've been on. But yeah, just let me give you one more insight on GMX. So yeah, guys, this is it. So this was the top of the GMX. So you can see the GMX reached the top of $19 after the 2 years. So they've been released in 2021. After the 2 years of the work, they go into the $19. So this is what I say. If you stake during all this time, if you hold enough for the long term, this is what can bring a really big amount of the money. Plus this $90, what I see, they sell for really good. Plus, if they hold for the 2 years, I think these guys go to $2 to $3 million with just $10,000 of investment. So if you hold for all this time for 2 years, collecting all these fees, collecting everything, raising amount of the tokens, and then sell it at the top, yeah, as I said, it's really hard to find the top. But if you sell, let's say, at $80 or this kind of the stuff, this was for the few months on the top. So basically, if you sell anytime here, you've been in really, really great amount of the profit. So this is it, guys. So basically, from the launch, as you can see on the launch, they go into the $22. So this is just basically on the days, just in few days, they go in $22 from $0.9. So you can just imagine how big this is. And from that period of the time, they start raising, bringing more liquidity, go to the $57, coming back into the $50, then going into the $90. So basically, there is no time when these guys who've been in private seed phase didn't reach at least 15x. So minimum was 15x. So even if they sell today, they're at 16x, 70, I don't know, almost 20x. So you can just see how big this is and how staking for the long term can benefit you really big. Yeah. And if project is taking money from the market, you can see really, really great results. So yeah, so basically it's not just a word, these are the charts and these are real data. So you can see, guys, how this stuff work and why I'm so excited with this project and why I'm looking really, really, really to bring really big amount of money for all of you guys and then just pump it for the whole this year. And yeah, you will see the results into the coming years, what I say. So this is the project to last for the years. So yeah, guys, thank you. I don't want to take any more of your time. So as I said, next week I will also go on the Monday and Wednesday. So you will be able also to check all this stuff up together. We will also for the Monday we can connect on the decks who are already into the work. So you will see how this stuff is connected together, how easy it's just to stake and to take your fees, take your money every day. So basically, as I said, it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, and as I said, this is the future of decentralized finance and be the part of it. Yeah. So thank you guys and have a good night.
All right. So thanks,
Okay.
guys. Yeah, and definitely we'll see you.